Hello friends, welcome back on our YouTube channel. As we discussed in previous video about routing, these are three types of routing: default, static and dynamic. We will configure default routing in previous video. If you didn't watch, go to our YouTube channel and watch the video. Now I will discuss static routing. About static routing, how to configure what is static routing. So let's start. First open our packet tracer. Uh, Here our topology. We have three locations: Delhi, Mumbai and J&K. These are our topology. First router is Delhi, second is Mumbai, third is J&K. I want to ping from this system to this system. So let's check it is pingable or not. Ping 20.0.0.2. As you can see, there is an error: reply from destination host unreachable. Means on our router we have not configured any routing. That's why we get this error, this ping out. To check routing, command is show IP route. Here you can see there is no any routing which we have configured. So first we need to configure routing. After then we can ping from this system to this system, this system to this system. So as we configure default routing in previous video, now we'll configure static routing. So let's start static routing. So first we need to add all routing detail, like first we go to conf terminal, type IP route and then network. I want ping from this system to this system. So in this network, this is the network ID. So we will add this network ID in routing table. Let's open router Delhi, IP route and 20.0.0.0. This is the network ID and enter subnet mask 255.0.0.0 and next hop count. As we configured default routing, we have entered next hop ID for routing. Here we can also add the next hop ID or IP. Like our router is this, and this is the next hop count. So on this interface we have configured this IP 192.168.1.2. let's enter this IP 192.168.1.2. enter. Now our routing is ready for this network. If we check routing table, let's check. So IP route, here you can see added. S means statically we have added this route. Now we will add this network and this network and this network too in routing table, so we can communicate each other. Let's do conft IP route. So our next network ID is 142.142.100.0.0. Subnet mask 255.255.0. 0.0 and next hop count. Next hop count will be same for this network also. Let's enter 192.168.1.2 added. Now we will define again for this network. Need to change IP addresses, network ID. So of this network, the network ID is 30.0.0.0 space subnet mask 255.0.0.0 and next hop count will be same. So next hop count will be 192.168.1.2. Enter. Yes. Now our Delhi router is configured for routing. Let's check all route is exist or not. Control Z. So IP route. Here you can see three network IDs added in routing table. So let's configure next router. Next router is Mumbai router. Configure terminal and then IP route. Need space in between the IP and route. After then we will configure first for this network, after then this network. So let's configure Mumbai router. So my network ID is for this network 10.10.0.0.0 255.0.0.0 subnet mask and next hop count. For this router means Mumbai router, next hop count will be this interface. So let's add this interface 192.168.1.1. Enter. Now we will add the route for this network, 30 network. Let's add IP route. Network is 30.0.0.0. Subnet mask is 255.255. Sorry, not only 255.0.0.0 and next hop count. So for this network, next hop count will be this interface. So on this interface we have configured IP 142.100.0.2. Let's add this IP 142.100.0.2. Enter. Control Z. Let's see routing table. So IP route. Here you can see 10 network and 30 network. Now let's configure a J&K router. If we check routing, on this router, so IP route, there is no any routing configured. C means directly connected, it's logically connected. C means directly connected. You can see this code on these tables. L local, C connected, S state, R RIP. So let's configure IP route. and we want to communicate this network and this network, also this network. So we need to add three network ID, one for this, one for this, and one for this. Okay, then start JNK router. Let's minimize, sorry, maximize. So what is the IP for this network? For this network, IP is 20.0.0.0. Subnet mask is 255.0.0.0, and next hop count. Next hop count will be this interface, serial 0/3/1. So you can add this interface name, or you can assign IP. Both are working. 142.100.0. No, 1. Enter, and then we will configure this route 20, 10, and this network 192.168.192.168.1.0. Subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Enter, Ctrl Z. Let's check. So IP root. Here you can see routing table is added. Now in routing table 10 network, 20 network, and 192.160 network is available. Now we can ping from any system to any system. Let's check. First we check IP assigned. Yes, IP is assigned. I want ping from this system to this system. Let's check it's working or not. Enter. First packet will be dropped because it maintain ARP. Yeah, we can communicate easily with the help of routing, static routing. It is also pingable. Let's ping 30 network. Here you can see now we can ping easily from one location to another location with the help of routing, static routing. So now question is how to remove static routing if we configure routing on any router. So how can remove? For remove you need to run a command const. You need to add no command, no IP route, and then enter. Now check is this network is available in routing table. Let's check. Do show IP route. Here you can see now 30 network is not available in routing table because we have removed. Let's edit again. Simple, run this command. Now you can check 30 RT network is available in our routing table.